Hi there, my name is Zsolt and I'm a professional driving instructor over 16 years by now. I just wanted to give you a couple of tips how you go ahead with your driving lessons, friends, family members, practicing with or driving instructors, because I see many horror stories since I'm in this industry. What is the most important thing? You need to have a lesson plan regardless you're going with a professional instructor or with somebody who is assisting you, who is supervising your driving. So don't just go out without any goal. Make sure you're always targeting something. For instance, get used to the roundabout, starting with small ones and then big ones. You're starting to learn the yellow box, the box junction, or doing the parking. So don't just drive randomly. Ideally, if you are driving, especially with the driving instructor, you should have a proper lesson plan. So you would need to know what are you going to do on the lesson and next lesson as well. What is the most important thing? Always do things which is right for your current level. Many times candidates are coming to me, they're saying, my wife, my friend is not getting any confidence. I told them 10,000 times, just be confident, let's do it, you can do it. And that doesn't help, because the confidence has to grow from the person, and the person who is practicing with growing confidence only if the person knows what is he or she is doing. Just telling them be confident is not going to help. Most of the time, they're not ready for the next challenge and they will be pushed to the too complicated roundabouts, to too complicated roads, too heavy traffic. Very important, as you're starting to learn to drive, do with the small roads, start to learn the junctions, getting the hang of it, how you control the vehicle, confident on the quiet roads, small roundabouts, then you can hit bigger roads, bigger roundabouts. Because if you would be pushed to do something which you are not ready to do it yet, you are, instead of growing your confidence, you are getting terrified, you're losing your passion for learning to drive. Very important, plan the lesson for your level, and then you step by step growing your confidence. Like you're building a house, you're not putting the roof on the house when the walls are very weak, because it sooner or later will collapse. Same here. Do the basics, then you put the wall, then you put the roof, and everything will be fine. Make sure, ask your driving instructor, what is the plan for the lesson? What is the plan for the next lesson? If the driving instructor just talking about something nonsense or they don't have any plan, find somebody else, because without a lesson plan, you're not going to get from A to B, so you're not going to improve. And I wish you best of luck on your driving lessons and on your driving test as well. Have a safe journey. Bye.